nice, very clean. Very nice. Business class. Very nice, very clean. So United has, the products that United has in the bathroom is the mist. Always use the mist as much as you can. Refresh. I believe it just smell. The back. Always, always, always. The other thing is once put your tube after a few seconds to collect. Right. And they also have a cream. Always don't forget about the cleavage. Like the back. Okay. That's why it's pretty good to wear a shirt with a V-neck. Alright, this is the simplest refreshment. The very simplest.